To learn more about the conservation organization Waita, my journey starts in Rio Doce State Park, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Rio Doce is the largest remaining tract of Atlantic forest jungle in the state and the third largest lake system in Brazil. Waita is an NGO that focuses on wildlife trafficking. They rehabilitate these animals, release them back into the wild, and further monitor them to track their success. Much of their work focuses on birds, which brings us here today. So here I am with the conservation organization Waita at the location where they discovered the bikuru, or in English known as the great-billed sudfinch. This bird was extinct in this area for almost, 80 years?
80 years. Yeah.
With Dahlia right here.
Hi.
And so they're coming here to observe to see if it's returned. They've already sighted it here, but they're monitoring the area to see the population. And this time of the day, in the early morning, is the best time to see it. Let's hope we see it. Preparing the bird call device.
Yes, the playback.
The playback, yes. Our first attempt in the morning, but no response. So right now we're in a former eucalyptus field. This area is still owned by the eucalyptus company, but due to an ant infestation, they had to abandon these fields. And right now they're letting the forest regenerate. Notice the ant devastation, the formigas. This whole area, all these dead trees are due to the ants. Nature for the win. Such a tranquil and beautiful morning. So this is one of the plants they eat right here?
Yes, this little seeds right
What is
here.
it called?
Capim navalha.
Oh.
Yeah.
One thing I love about going into the field with biologists, their boundless curiosity.
This is a bird of prey that only eats snakes.
Then we move to a new area in hopes of better luck. And finally the moment came that we'd all been waiting for. Behold, a lone, great-billed seedfinch tucked off in the bushes. Prized for their beautiful song, the great-billed seedfinch was taken as pets, and therefore, due to wildlife trafficking, completely vanished from the area. They are currently listed as endangered. I thought I saw a second one, but it was just a smooth-billed Annie. So what we have behind me is an illegal fisherman's camp. Half of this lake is owned by the park, and you're only allowed to hunt or fish piranhas, and you can catch them and take them with you. However, all the other fish, they're protected, and you're not allowed to hunt or allowed to fish here. So people will sneak over here. As you see, there's a little campfire there, and come into this area illegally and fish. So it's a problem. It's a common problem. My second day with Waita would bring me to Serra do Cipó National Park. This park is comprised of a biome of dry tropical shrubland known as Cerrado. This isn't a rainforest this time or any type of jungle or a dry tropical forest. This is something you call the Cerrado with very unique plants, almost like you really can't compare it to anywhere in the deserts of North America or other parts of South America. It's a very unique environment. It's like we're on another planet right now. The Cerrado covers about 21% of Brazil and has high levels of endemism. It's biologically rich with over 10,000 different species of plants. First of all, what does Waita mean? Tasting the Waita.
Waita é uma palavra indígena, né?
Okay.
Que significa. Os indígenas usam essa palavra para falar de um local onde todas as pessoas se encontram para tomar as decisões mais importantes da tribo. Então a gente pegou o Waita justamente por isso. Nós somos várias pessoas se reunindo, biólogos, veterinários, zootecnistas de várias profissões se unem para tomar decisões importantes a respeito da conservação dos animais.
Okay. Next up was a checkup on a pair of blue-fronted Amazon parrots, which they recently reintroduced. Moon mothers. This will make a good Halloween costume too.
So now our team is putting food in the parrots' feeders.
Okay.
So we put these feeders here because they need some like support after they're released, so they can get like a specific place where they can find food while they are searching, like exploring around them.
Oh.
So we use those clothes so they can associate the food with humans, because it's like it becomes a positive thing with the food. So we take that image of the human with the food, and we use these costumes that we call Mother of the Moon.
Mother of the Moon.
He's coming down.
So this is what you use to connect with the tracking devices and track the birds that you've collared. Interesting.
Yeah, when we get the signal.
It's part of the process of ensuring the rehabilitation process is successful and these parrots are being reintroduced to the wild and thriving. Work like this is necessary. So I'm out here with Thalia. We're risking our lives out here. There's onça pintadas, there's anacondas, there's coral snakes, there's spiders.
Dangerous.
Look at all the rocks we can fall on. This is crazy.
And this is our everyday life.
Everyday life.
We risk it for nature.
That's right. Thalia, you're a brave woman and a courageous person, and I appreciate all the work you do.
Thank you.
And what is this chart right here? Is this to
To evaluate
evaluate?
which one of them is going to the feeders.
Oh.
So in 2 minutes we mark which one is on the feeder right now. We do it for a whole hour.
Interesting. Oh, you're going to be sitting here for the next hour?
Yes.
Right? This spot. That's why you brought the cardboard.
Yes, because it's very dirty here.
Yeah.
But also it's very hot, so we had to do this while it was raining, and we had to
Oh, wow.
to sit on the rain because we had to observe them. Unless it's raining stones, you have to sit there.
Okay.
and observe the parrots.
That's dedication. I respect that.
True.
That's love for the birds and nature.